everyone, I'm Alice. Today we're going to learn about Chinese Zodiac. Each animal represents a year. The first animal in Chinese Zodiac is rat. In Chinese, we say it 老鼠,老鼠. Amy, do you like rats? Amy, 你喜欢老鼠吗? The second animal in Chinese Zodiac is ox. In Chinese, we say it 牛,牛. This ox is eating grass. 这头牛正在吃草。The third one in Chinese Zodiac is tiger. In Chinese, we say it 老虎,老虎. Tiger can hunt in the night too. 老虎在夜间也能猎食。The fourth one in Chinese Zodiac is rabbit. In Chinese, we say it 兔子,兔子. The little rabbit is asleep. 小兔子睡着了。The fifth one in Chinese Zodiac is dragon. In Chinese, we say it 龙,龙. Dragon is a legendary creature. 龙是一种传说中的生物。The sixth one in Chinese Zodiac is snake. In Chinese, we say it 蛇,蛇. I'm afraid of snakes. 我害怕蛇。The seventh in Chinese Zodiac is horse. Chinese, we say it 马,马. This horse is still young. 这匹马还很年轻。The eighth in Chinese Zodiac is goat. In Chinese, we say it 羊,羊. There is a goat. 那儿有一只山羊。The ninth in Chinese Zodiac is monkey. In Chinese, we say it 猴,猴. The monkey is hanging on the tree. 那只猴子正挂在树上。The 10th in Chinese Zodiac is rooster. In Chinese, we say it 鸡,鸡. Rooster crows in the morning. 公鸡在清晨打鸣。The 11th in Chinese Zodiac is dog. In Chinese, we say it 狗,狗. I have a dog. 我有一只狗。The 12th in Chinese Zodiac is pig. In Chinese, we say it 猪,猪. It must be a happy pig. 它一定是只快乐的猪。That's all for today. Hope you like it. Bye bye.